Thank you. Uh, Today this one we will use these clear quartz beads to make. Yeah, clear quartz beads to make. And we use one bead this, and we will use the turquoise. Okay, it's the 3 piece of the beads, and I will make it in silver color. Silver color I use in the size 0.8. Okay, size 0.8, the silver color, this one. Okay, and I will cut it in 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. This ring is good to make a big size. Okay, string the beads here at the middle. String these beads at the middle. Okay, it's at the middle now. And how much are the big rolls of wire? Big rolls of wire, all the size is the same price is 29. If you are love to do the wire wrapper, you need a lot of wire. Practice the design, practice, and then you can choose the size which one is your most often used size. For example, if you most use 0.6, then you can take this one in a big roll. It's 29, and it's with the any color you want. But black, gold, silver, rose gold, any we have in this middle row, big row. This one. Okay, size 13. Okay, size 13. This design I will make it size 13 a little bit bigger. Here, come. I put it size 13.5. Here, this is the piece we make. Put it here at size 13.5. It's like this, and we cross. Okay, we cross, and after cross, one wrapper from the side, one wrapper from this side here. Okay, then we will be wrap these small beads also to wrap, and this one wrap the small beads also wrap and wrap. So here it's come a claw ring like this. Okay, then we take, and then your finger must be tied at the bead part. Okay, and the wire go through here. It's silver ring here. Wrapper. Okay. Here. And this one. Here. Wrapper. When she tell you to put in your ring size, the first to printing get the ring. Yes. How much is the 5 Robux? 5 Robux is 12.5. How do I order to get the ring? Okay. Type who is the faster finger, then you get it. Yeah. Everyone have the chance to get the ring gift. Yeah. Not every day. Not every day have the chance. We are just try it to make, because today we are making the ring design, and we are making the ring tutorial today. So we have the promoter, we play a game like this. Not always have the chance to have got the ring. Not every day. Maybe 1 month one time. Because today we make the ring tutorial. That's why I play a game. We are not do this as a promoter method. It's just a game today. Okay, here. Yes, not every day. I think customer come to my live streaming every day. You know, we are not often do like this. It's just today have the chance. Yeah. Okay, so this is the ring. That's size 13. Yeah. Size 13, I think it's not so much easy to buy a ready-made ring, a machine-made ring. But we do get a free gift in every order. Yes. Yeah. So here, silver and turquoise and clear quarter finish. Except this ring you will get the other gift when you check out. Yeah, the other gift you will be get when you check out. Okay, here. Hi Jessica, happy to see you. So this one, the ring finish. Yeah, it's a ring way down.